Good day everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate how to use the wrap feature in SOLIDWORKS focusing on Emboss and Deboss. So how are we going to do it? First, I'll create a base model. I'll start by sketching a circle on the top plane and then use extruded boss or base to make a cylinder. Now for this demo, I'll set the height to 55 millimeters. Next, we need to create a plane in front of the cylinder where we will draw our shape. So I'll click on reference geometry, then the drop-down arrow beside plane. Now I'll select the right plane as the reference and set an offset distance so that it becomes tangent to the cylinder surface. Once it looks aligned, I will now click OK to create the new plane. Now that we have created our plane, we will now make our sketch. I'll select the new plane, click sketch and draw a simple shape, for example a star or hexagon, but in this demo, we will use hexagon. Now this hexagon will be the design that will be wrapped onto the curved surface later. After finishing drawing the sketch, we will now exit the sketch. Now remember, before going to features or the wrap features, do not forget to exit the sketch, because if you don't exit the sketch, the wrap features will not appear. We will now proceed to the wrap features. Go to insert, then features, then wrap. Now in the property manager, here in this section, you will select our sketch. Then in this section, this body, you will select the curved face of the cylinder as the target surface. Here in Emboss, I'll select Emboss, and for the height value, let us enter 5 millimeters. Then check. Now you will see that the shape is now projected outward from the cylinder, creating a raised 3D effect. Now next, let us try Deboss. I'll switch to Deboss, and this time, I will also set the depth to 5 millimeters. Now as you can see, the shape is now recessed into the surface, like it is carved inside the cylinder. And that's how the wrap feature works in SOLIDWORKS.